In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Inodes in Hostinger the easy way, so you can free up file usage, keep your hosting account healthy, and avoid unnecessary limits. If your website is getting close to Inode limits or Hostinger is warning you about too many files, this tutorial will help you clean things up safely and quickly. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple hosting and website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where all of your hosted sites are listed. Find the website you want to clean up, then click dashboard next to it. That will open the management panel for that specific site. Now from the site dashboard, go to files and then click file manager. This is the area where you can browse all the files stored on your hosting account. Since Inode usage is basically connected to the number of files and folders you have, the goal here is to remove things you no longer need. Once File Manager opens, locate and open the public_HTML folder. This is usually the main directory for your website files. Be careful here and take your time because you only want to delete files that are truly unnecessary. A good rule is to remove old backups, unused folders, and test sites that are no longer needed. If you see old backup files, especially .zip files, those can take up a lot of Inode space. Deleting old backups is one of the fastest ways to reduce file count. Next, look for unused folders that may have been created by plugins, themes, staging setups, or old experiments. If a folder is no longer serving your live website, it may be safe to remove it. You should also check for test sites or temporary files you created while building the site. These often stay behind and slowly increase Inode usage over time. A lot of website owners focus only on storage space, but Inode usage can become a problem even when disk space still looks available. That's why cleaning up small files and unused folders matters so much. As you review your files, delete only what you recognize and no longer need. If you're ever unsure about a file, it's better to leave it alone than to break something important on your site. After deleting unnecessary items, give Hostinger a moment to update the file count. In many cases, your Inode usage will start dropping right away after the cleanup. To keep your Inode count under control in the future, make it a habit to remove old backups regularly, delete unused staging files, and avoid storing duplicate copies of files in multiple places. The less clutter you keep in public_HTML and related folders, the easier it is to stay within your hosting limits. And that's it! You've now learned how to clear Inodes in Hostinger by logging in, opening your site dashboard, going to File Manager, opening public_HTML, and deleting unnecessary backups, folders, and test sites. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Hostinger and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.